When your furnace stops working, comfort can disappear fast, especially during a Pennsylvania winter. That's when homeowners turn to PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for reliable residential furnace repair in Paoli, Pennsylvania. Our experienced technicians diagnose furnace problems quickly and explain what's going on, clearly and honestly. From strange noises and weak heat, to systems that won't turn on at all, we repair furnaces safely, efficiently, and correctly. We focus on lasting repairs that restore warmth, improve efficiency, and keep your home safe. The result? Reliable heat, better comfort, and peace of mind for your family. As a trusted local company, PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning is committed to quality workmanship and dependable service. If your furnace isn't keeping up, don't wait until the cold gets worse. PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning, keeping Paoli homes warm and comfortable. What are common signs that my furnace needs repair? Common warning signs include uneven heating, unusual noises, frequent cycling, rising energy bills, weak airflow, strange odors, or a furnace that won't turn on. How quickly should furnace problems be addressed? Furnace issues should be addressed as soon as they appear to prevent further damage, higher repair costs, and potential safety concerns such as carbon monoxide leaks. Is furnace repair better than furnace replacement? In many cases, repair is a cost-effective solution, especially if the furnace is under 15 years old and the damage is not extensive. Where is PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road number 307 Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli/.